In this video, I'll show you how to install and update ScriptHookV and ScriptHookVDotNet so GTA 5 mods work properly. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the ScriptHook and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. First type here, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open bin. Select then put 8.dll and ScriptHookV drag and drop inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Make sure the GTA 5 is not running in the background. Then try again. Now go back, open ScriptHookV.net. Select this .net.asi and .net2.dll, 3.dll. Then drop inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Installation is complete. ScriptHookV and ScriptHookV.net are working, so you can run GTA 5 mods and scripts without errors. Launch the game in story mode and enjoy your mods. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.